In this video, I'll share insights from the best investment I have made so far. I'll show you exactly how it worked, why it worked, and what we can learn from it. I've been investing in this fund for the last 6 years. So far, I've invested around 16 lakhs, and it has returned me approximately 26 lakhs to have a total corpus of around 42 lakhs. And this has happened in the last 6 years with an XIRR of 34%. Incredible, isn't it? Hold on. But this video isn't about the great fund that delivered these returns. Did the great fund alone make this possible? Or were there other factors at play? Let us discuss two common misconceptions which keep coming up always. The question which comes up is it because you invested only during the market dips? Absolutely not. Did you use any specific tool to invest in it? Again, no. Did I again do anything extraordinary? In my mind, absolutely not. So, what made this investment successful? After analyzing it, here are the top three reasons which I feel. One is consistency. I set up a SIP on the 22nd of every month and stayed consistent. 6 years, there may be 3 or 4 instances where I would have missed the SIP. The market went up, I sipped. The market went down, I sipped again. You can see here from the transaction statements that I was always consistent. Number two on this list is patience. As I was saying, the market went up, market went down, didn't matter. I was patient, I did not look at the returns. The SIP just continued. And that is one of the most important aspect of not touching or disturbing your SIP investment to continue its growth. Number three on this list is not timing the market. Many people make this mistake of timing the market. I will buy it when the markets go low, and what is low? I don't know. So I just automated my investment. It was a SIP, it just continued. Right? So I didn't do bottom fishing. Here's a bonus tip for you. There is always an urge for us to do something when the market goes down. I say, don't do anything with the SIP. If you feel like you want to do something, just add a few thousand rupees to the same fund on which you're sipping. This is how I satisfied my urge to do something, and I was worried about disrupting the SIP. This allows us to continue the SIP and compounding to work in our favor. Let me know in the comments if there are similar strategies which you follow. I would love to hear them, learn from them, and use it for myself. In summary, to achieve extraordinary returns, we should allow compounding to work. And there are three principles which will allow you to do that. One is consistency, the next is patience, and the other is avoiding trying to time the market. And this is why I said patience is a superpower on which wealth is built. If you want to improve your SIP investing strategy, watch this video on Step Up Investing. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Be wise, money wise.